connect your OBDeleven. Make sure that your ignition is turned on, and we will take a look on how to enable those permanent running turn signals, or US and Canada DRL. Now for this A3 there is one-click application which we can use. Turn lights as DRL, so turn lights as daytime running lights, and you can choose the percentage of how bright those turn signals should be. Let me step outside the car and we will test if it does work. Okay, so we successfully set those turn signals to be permanent, and I also showed you that you can do it in the long coding and save your credits.